Hey everyone, my name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today we're gonna be making Planter's Punch. So this Jamaican punch in general can be traced all the way back to 1694. That's a long time ago. That's like before the United States was a country. With a recipe that consisted of 2 parts rum and 1 part of the following: water, sugar, citrus, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. The combination of rum, spices, and sugar and juices became a catch-all phrase for this drink, Planter's Punch. I'm really butchering the history, but that's it in a really quick nutshell. I don't want to go super deep dive into it. Can't talk. And there's a lot of history. It's really interesting. But before, I just want to dedicate this video to my favorite tiki bar, Stowaway. They recently were awarded to being the #1 seller of Fernet Branca in the whole state of California. So this is tiki theme. It's a tiki bar. Cheers to Stowaway. Let's put this back. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Woo. Wow, that is 1 juicy lime. I thought I would need 2 because some of the limes I've been using for drinks lately, the limes just have been awful. Okay, so 1 ounce of that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Demerara Syrup. And I know why I got that jigger out, because this jigger doesn't have a 1/4 ounce measurement on, but that one does. We're gonna do 1/4 ounce of Dram. The Smuggler's Cove recipe, which I'm adapting the Smuggler's Cove recipe, so this is what the video is kind of based on, calls for allspice Dram. I am using pimento Dram. And a lot goes a long way. It is very flavorful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. There we go. So 1/4 ounce of Dram. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 ounces of Jamaican pot still golden rum. Woo, didn't spill. And finally, 1 ounce of, I know it's a Jamaican punch. I know, I'm sorry, this is the only Jamaican rum I have. I am doing a rum that's close to Jamaica. Cayman Reef rum from, oh, it's from Barbados. I thought it was from the Cayman Islands. Never mind. So 1 ounce of that. I promise I'll get some more Jamaican rum. Then what we're gonna do is add ice to our tin. And you know the usual. And shake. Then we're gonna get our cup of crushed ice. I kept it in the freezer to make it nice and chilly. So with drinks with crushed ice, I always say do about halfway to 3/4 full of crushed ice in your glass. Because if you put too much ice, then you can't put your drink in, or you can put a little bit, but not too much. It's always better to put the whole drink in and just put more ice rather than having a drink and just sip it out of the tin. What? It's all about enjoying the experience. And I was right. I can add more ice, and we are going to add more ice. Ooh. Spilling, but you know, it's just water. Oh, perfect. Then what we're gonna do, get a little mint sprig. Just place it there. Get our biodegradable straw. I know, I really should buy a actual straw. Ooh, it's like frozen, putting it in the freezer. Ooh, let's move this. and this, and this, and that, and it's just ice, so it doesn't matter. Oh my god, I'm spilling. There we have it. Planter's Punch. Let's give it a sip. Oh my god, I can't. Freaking ice. So right away, this Jamaican rum is super, super strong in terms of flavor. So right away, you get those grassy, overripe banana flavors. And that gets followed by the lime juice. The Barbados rum, I don't know the flavor profile of it too much, but it's definitely like a foundation for this drink in terms of, you know, the spirit booziness of it. And then with the Dram, you get the flavors of the pimento. I think like cloves? Let's see what the bottle says. There is clove in here. Oh, pimento in the islands. Allspice. So yeah, clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg. This is really good. It's definitely a very strong drink because you have those 3 ounces of rum. This is 30%, so 60 proof. So yeah, it's a pretty high ABV cocktail, but it's a really delicious one. So thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, if you're in school, make sure you have a nice fall recess. I hope everyone has a nice, healthy, and safe Thanksgiving. Enjoy your week, everyone, and I will see you on the next one.